Rheological studies of texture-modified chicken rendang with tapioca and sago starches as food thickener for patients with dysphagia. This article is written by 4 authors. First author Z. Asant Riza. Second author Azina Rayhan. Third author M. H. Norzia. Last author Ray Fazila. All authors from School of Industrial Technology, University Sains Malaysia, Penang, Malaysia. Contribution and originality of the study is that, this study contributes in the existing literature of texture-modified food for patients with dysphagia. This study investigates the possibility of using tapioca and sago starch as the source of food thickener, to replace the use of commercial thickener, which normally marketed at a higher price. Dysphagia refers to the term of having difficulty in swallowing or moving foods and liquids from the mouth to the stomach, which will lead to dehydration and malnutrition. Texture-modified food is one of common method used in dysphagia management, by altering the rate of food traveling down the pharynx. In this study, texture-modified chicken rendang was developed to comply Texture C, fine puree with lump-free, as outlined by Australian Dysphagia Standard. Rendang, one of popular traditional dish in Malaysia, was selected, aimed to introduce high-protein diet in patient with dysphagia problem. Texture modification was carried out by adding commercial thickener, and later was compared to formulation with addition of tapioca and sago starch as the thickener. Effect of using different types of food thickener, together with different level of starch addition and serving temperature on the rheological properties of developed food were investigated. Results shows that all thickened samples demonstrated a shear thinning effect throughout the temperature studied, contributed by starch integrity loss due to heating. Both storage modulus, G, and loss modulus, G, values of samples containing starch decreases as temperature increases, indicating a weak gel-like properties associated with each sample. The addition of 5% of starch was found to be optimal for the sample to remain stable even at 85 degrees Celsius. Tapioca starch could potentially use as cheaper thickener alternative due to its stable structure upon oscillation frequency and temperature increment during rheological analysis, when to compare to sago starch. Introduction of chicken rendang puree, thickened with starch, potentially help to provide safer food for patients with dysphagia. Thanks for watching this video of PAC Publishing Group of Journal of Food Technology Research Volume 3 Issue Number 1.